Hi guys, it's your girl Leilani Love. Welcome back to my channel. Alright, so today I'm introducing to y'all a client of mine, Selena. I did her install a few weeks ago, and as you can see, she has not brushed or combed it or did anything to it. So we're going to be revamping this today. You can see she has not did anything to her hair and is totally matted. So today I'll be giving her a revitalizing treatment, and she also wants to move her closure to the middle. So she started with a side part, and I basically had to clean off the area and give her a whole new cap. And I also added lace or mesh on the side where the braids start so that she won't have tension on her hair. As you can see here, she now has a whole new sewing. Middle part bust down shorty, yes. And now she's brand new. So ladies, if you looking to get your wigs or closures redone, relaid, holla at your girl, Leilani's.love on Instagram.